down. This is where my control position. Just like when we're on our feet, this clinch still works. Position number 2, just like when we're on our feet. Right here, trying posture. Very hard. See? I hug it tight in my shoulder. Also hiding myself. So here it's very hard for me to punch. Position number 3 is on the bicep, just like on our feet. Okay? So if he is punching at me like a maniac, I need to control that bicep. I can scoop my hips up, I can really control him. Just like on our feet again, we can go to the underhook, or we can go to the overhook. Okay? From here, I'm pretty much safe. Try and damage me, do whatever you want, it's very hard. Okay? So we're going to look at the overhook today as a position of control. So these throwing punches, I need to be covered up, and when I feel his body coming down on me is when I, boom, I get to my control position. My first one and my second one. From here, notice how his arm is in a position that's perfect to overhook. Okay? I set up my overhook right away. If I have clothes, I can grab my own shirt. I can grab his shirt, or I can just hug tight. It's really important I clench down on his arm so he can't get it out, because he's going to be fighting here to get it out. I just want to hug him tight. First thing I'm going to do now is open my foot and get out as much to the side as possible. Okay? This makes it impossible for him to damage me, because here, if I'm pushing away, try and do anything. Now watch, my first submission from here is this arm is going to push down. I pinch on his shoulders. Now look, I'm just going to clench the arm. See? It's an arm crush. It's a straight arm lock. I'm pushing up on the shoulders, my knees isolate the shoulder, and then crush. Yeah, one more time. He's throwing punches. 1, 2, boom. Bring it down, control it. Tight. Overhook is in. Notice how my legs are still tight here? From here, I can start opening my legs and shrimping out and closing. Here I don't care how he moves. He's going to still try and posture up here, but this knee is keeping him down. Okay, now all I do is I wait for that little bit of space that he created by pushing up. Can you see? Boom, really tight. Pinch. Can you punch me from here? Just over. Okay, so we're just going to try that as a first move. One more time. So we're going to just start from here. What's important is when he's punching that I don't pull him down with my arms. I'm trying to reach instead of using my hips. See? Even if we're just grappling, just for sport, I want to use my hips to control. So as he punches, that's what I have to time to use my hip. Boom, we're back in the overhook. Now look, I don't always get the arm where I want it. Okay? Now, the one thing you guys are missing a lot of time was this. See how I'm really clenching this arm here? Without my hands, move. It's really hard. Even if I didn't use my hands, it's still really hard. This is what's important. Okay? Now, the follow-up is, this is all great if I get his arm in the position I want, but sometimes people's arms rotate. Okay? Now, as long as I'm really pinched here, I don't even have to worry because I have 2 options. One, I mean, if it's, you want to be me, you can just start attacking the wrist because his arm is isolated. Start moving your arm. Okay, see how as he starts trying to defend the crush, he's going to rotate his arm into a Kimura position. From here, I could start attacking the wrist. It's locked. Number 2 is I can start setting up an omoplata. So from here, look at this far knee. This is his only base right now, really. I'm going to kick out that far knee. Okay? I'm going to turn. See how his leg is up? Now I throw my body, and I'm just going to rotate. Now, notice how, go to your knees. Try and stay on your knees. It's almost like I'm trying to face plant him when I get him over. And I right away want to have control of his body. If I just do this, he's going to posture up. He's going to be strong enough to throw me over. But if I go here, he can't really counter, whether I come under and grab the arm or I just control him. It doesn't matter. I just need to have something over his body. Now look, I'm going to turn this foot this way, and I'm going to scoot away from his body and then lift my hips up a little bit. One more time. So, we're basically just using, I'll do it on the other side, we're basically just using the overhook to set up an omoplata. If he has really good base, I want to just kick this out. You see what that does to him? It makes it really easy for me to do omoplata because he can't counter. If he has base and I go for the omoplata, it makes it a little easier for him to already here be pulling up. See, already here he's starting to fight it. But if I come to here and I kick this out and I'm pushing him away, there wasn't that moment. Now look, I use my feet here like I'm throwing him away. That's what lifts me up. And right away over his body, controlling him. This one turns out. This one turns out. I scoot a little bit away, and I just lift up. Okay, so the one thing you guys were missing as we were going for the omoplata or face cover is that as I come over, okay, you see how I'm still controlling the arm, trying to get the arm out? I use this arm to still control it. Now look, this foot has to come out, and I like to use this foot to help me turn so I'm straightening. See, I'm still hugging the arm. See the position we're in now? Whether my legs are closed or like this foot is still for control. Now I can sit up. Now look, the important part to finish it is that a lot of people will do it with the knee on the back and trying to sit up. There's a lot of flexibility there before you pass. I take my knee and I put it all the way to here. Boom. See how much pressure that just added? Right? How much pressure do you feel in your shoulder? No. The second I do this, you feel a lot of pressure all of a sudden. Okay? Look how little it takes like that. You can also use this as a position of control. You can just hug the arm and you punch him in the back of the neck. You can control this arm and just punch him in the back of the neck. It doesn't have to be used as a submission, it can be used as a control. Now we're just going to look at one last thing from here. And this is maybe the most effective for street fighting because in a street fight I really don't want to be on my back. So I come out, I get to here. Now watch, I'm going to break his base, except now I'm not going to go for the omoplata. I'm going to start crawling my hand out and I'm just going to get back to my feet. Okay, I'm going to push on the head, get up, controlling his head. I could be hitting him, kneeing, whatever I want, but I'm just getting out. I keep him down when I get up. I don't disengage. So, I see you guys coming up. I want to go for the omoplata, and then boom, people like burst in the room. I know I have to get up quick. See how I scooted my hips out? I push on the face. Here it's very easy. I just disengage and I get up. Notice how his head's stuck in the ground. I can be elbowing him, kneeing him, whatever I want. Well, that's time. I'm going to go over the subtleties of it now. It's very important here, once again, it really helps if I break his base with this right foot. Boom. Okay? Now if I use this hand, if I don't use this hand, it's going to be really hard to get out. I need this hand to give me the space to get out. I also put pressure on his shoulder, because if I don't, if I just tried to get up like this, he would get up on top of me. Come up on top of me. He can still control me here. But if I have pressure on his shoulder and I'm driving his face into the ground, try and come up. As I go. Come on, try it the whole time. I'm going to get up very slow. See, now I switch to his head, and I get out. Bam, 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 whatever you want. Okay? Let's give it a shot.